What's this? If I fits, I sits? What's this? Starlink self-heating internet satellite dishes are attracting cats. Oh, I see. I get it. Cats love the heat, right? That's why.
The heat, yes.
That's why sometimes you got to be careful. They'll go underneath your warm car in the winter.
Yeah, snuggle in there.
And you don't want to run them over.
Mm-hmm.
And they're attracted to the heat. SpaceX's Starlink has been making steady gains with its fledgling satellite internet service, surpassing 100,000 terminals shipped in 2021. That's quite a few.
Congrats.
Showing promising improvements in performance after initial speed tests produced lackluster results. Okay, so they keep improving. Starlink works great until the cats find out that the dish gives off a little heat on cold days.
So they have like a warming feature, I guess, for maybe snow or something to get stuck up there. Causes a lot of reception issues.
So this will melt the snow off of the Starlink satellite. That's cool.
It's not like hot enough to actually hurt anyone.
Right.
But cats seem to think it's the perfect place. And it has like it's a dish, so it's a scoop.
So you have an image here.
Yes.
Oh my God. Wow.
I feel like this was fake. Like they just has like a bunch of cats and thought it would be like a silly.
Is that 5 cats on there?
Yeah. They're huddled together. But apparently this is real.
Yeah, I can't. I mean, that's not a thing you would, when you're engineering it and you put the self-heating, you're probably not considering cats. Mm-hmm. Maybe other wildlife, but not domestic cats. Like, oh, the cats are going to fill up the whole satellite dish.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's affecting the performance at that point. It must be to a certain extent.
Yeah, it should, because it's kind of blocking the, signals that's bouncing off of the.
This guy has a relationship with these
dish.
cats. He says they have free access to heated house and come and go as they please. They are there by their own choice, he wrote on Twitter. He went on to say that the cats will voluntarily leave the heated cat house to catch some Z's on the dish. Oh, I don't know, man. Maybe whatever signal is coming, they like to
intercept it.
Yeah, maybe there's some other reason. Maybe the cats have another sense they're capable of picking up. Maybe they're intercepting internet.
Conspiracy.
Maybe there's like a nice vibration.
A red pill?
I don't know. Something's going on here.
No, I hear you.
The cats know more than we do, Will.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that.